If you ever find yourself Googling warning signs of abusive relationships, that might be a sign that it's time to start a new chapter in your story. Care Lodge helps nearly 1,000 people every year define their relationship health, increase personal safety, find long-term housing solutions, and connect to a strong network of support through our client-centered programming. In this video, we will explore how you will know when it's time to leave an abusive relationship, tips on how you can make it through the transition, planning your exit strategy, and some of the most common items to take with you when the time is right. Before we move on, it's important to remember that you are the expert of your situation and that no one knows exactly what you're going through except you. Many people will try to tell you how and when you should break up or leave a relationship, but only you can make the decision of when to leave. For example, when you feel sad, upset, small or unsafe, more than you feel lifted up or protected, or when your definition of love does not match up with the way that you're being treated. Perhaps you feel emotionally and mentally exhausted in your relationship, or you feel like you're having to watch what you say or do to avoid an argument. These waypoints mean that your route needs to slow down and change directions before the warning signs escalate into more intense abuse. You may be thinking to yourself right now, well, my partner's never put their hands on me, or these things don't seem very serious at all. Why should I make a big deal about it? Domestic violence stems from a desire to gain or maintain power and control over an intimate partner. Abusive people believe that they have the right to control or restrict their partner's life, either because they believe their own feelings and needs should be the priority in the relationship, or because they enjoy exerting the power that such abuse gives them. Any form of abuse may be aimed at dismantling equality in the relationship in order to make their partner feel less valuable and undeserving of respect. To sum it up, abuse is selfish, unbalanced, and has a ripple effect from the home out into the community. When you're sifting through the confusion abuse brings into a seemingly healthy relationship, it can seem easy to lean into the old phrase, forgive and forget, or no one understands what we've been through together. Whether the abuse has only happened once, or the intensity and frequency of abuse has increased over time, no one deserves to be hurt by someone who says they love you. Remember, you're not to blame for something that happens to you. By connecting with an advocate, they can help inform you about free services available right in your community that are designed to increase your safety and meet your goals. Make time for people who are safe and can help you heal from the inside out. Exercise and deep breathing can help reduce the impact that stress has on your body throughout the day. If you do have time to pack, try to include the supplies you'll need to be away from your home for at least 2 to 3 nights. Keep this bag either in your vehicle or at a location where you can pick it up later when it's safe. Tell a trustworthy and safe person who can cooperate with your safety plan and commit to keeping your whereabouts confidential. They may also agree to holding your ready-to-go bag for you or use a code word to contact police if you're in danger. Mentally walk through the steps you'll need to take. Review the examples of things that may need to be considered in your safety plan. The most important thing at this point is not which bag to take or how much to pack or wondering what you forgot. Your safety matters most. Even if you can't pack anything and you only have what's on you at the moment, it's okay. Places like Care Lodge have amazing community partners who help make sure that you have the clothing and supplies you need when you arrive. For everything else, there's advocates. Our case management team will meet with you to discuss your immediate needs as they walk you through some options that can help you reach your goals. Here's a short list of things to keep in mind as you plan your exit strategy. Know where you can go. Keep a cell phone or important numbers written down. Don't forget to turn off your location tracking. Consider what options are available for transportation. Pack light for each person and pet. Yep, you heard right. Care Lodge has a special program to keep your pets safe during your transition. They'll receive veterinary assistance and lots of TLC as they wait for you. While we do not require IDs or legal documents to receive services or come into shelter, you may find it easier to establish housing and utilities in your name if you already have those documents with you. Daily medications for you and any children should be kept in their prescribed containers. We'll help you celebrate each small win along the way, and we'll help you find ways to practice self-care and walk towards your future without violence.